Welcome to the Pneumatics Configuration Guide. We are going to enable PMS on the Pneumatics device. Once you've opened your Pneumatics UI, you go to the Configuration folder. You will select the PMS menu option. PMS is Property Management System. It allows the hotel to include the internet on the room bill for the guest. You need to select the specific property management system interface that you are connecting to. There are multiple interfaces, as you can see on this page. Based on the type of interface you're using and the hotel you have, you will need to gather this information and then select the proper form of internet. I will utilize one of the more common ones for our example. We will use Micros Fidelio Query and Post, which is the Micros Opera system that is used in a lot of hotels. Select the radio button for the prepaid. This will allow the purchase to happen before the user gets internet access. If you use a postpaid option, then when they log out or their time expires, that is when the charge will be accrued and it will show up on their hotel bill. If you want to disable the requirement of a registration number for the end user with Micros, you want to check the box for that. And if it's a new Micros Opera system, you want to check the box for the FIOS 8.x compliant. This will allow for the buffering of the room number. This will allow for the room number issue that occurred in the older Opera systems to be taken care of. Once you have configured those things, then you'll want to scroll down and set the speed of the interface based on the serial connection that you are utilizing. You can either use the default, which starts at 9600 and then queries a standard baud rate, or if you know the exact baud rate that the serial connection is configured for, you can select it here using the radio buttons. Also, you will need to set the serial settings for the interface. For the default, we use 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. If the PMS interface you're connecting to uses something different, it will need to be set here based on the drop-downs. And if you are using a mapping to a phone number for the different billing plans, you will want to set that exact phone number here under the type of service. Once you have made all your settings, you will click on the Submit button. Once the page refreshes, that has saved all your settings. We have now enabled PMS on the Pneumatics device.